On Highway 5, about 10 kilometers outside of Mexicali, you find this crash 727. The plane was purposely crashed in the desert outside of Mexicali, and it was filmed for the Discovery Channel. They had to man the airplane as they were flying over populated areas, but they lowered the air stairs and parachuted out, and then a chase plane had it on remote control, and they crashed it into a dry lake bed with crash test dummies to test the effects. They brought the plane in at about 1,500 feet per minute descent rate and 140 miles an hour. The nose tore off. All the crash test dummies in the front area here would have had broken legs and ankles. Over the wings, much the same. Most of the major injuries would have been up front. Over the wings, they said broken bones, and surprisingly in the back, they said those people could have walked away from this crash. Now, if the plane would have came in and did a tail strike, they expected the opposite results. This kind of sits on the grounds of a funeral, and the caretaker, he's got a little trailer over there. I asked him if I could come in and take some pictures, and he says, yeah, you need to buy me a soda. So I gladly gave him 4 ones, and in I walked. A lot of the damage, they said, was from the overhead bins and wires and everything just collapsing and tangling everything up. They wanted to do the whole thing remote control, and the Mexican government said, yeah, no chance. You need to have manned pilots taking off over the populated area of Mexicali. Man, I wish I had a ladder. I'd climb up in here. Hey, I paid my $4. I'm getting my money's worth. It doesn't look like I was the first person to sneak in here. So this is the inside of the Crash 727. If you ever flew Singapore Airlines and sat in 14E by the window, here you go. I gotta be careful, this thing is all tore up. Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this thing before my foot goes through the floorboard. Man, I can't imagine jumping out of the back of this thing. I gotta be careful, this is all jagged metal. So the crash experiment was filmed for a Discovery Channel show called Curiosity. Again, it's a former Singapore Airlines 727. Bob Dole chartered this plane for his 1996 presidential campaign.